Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome back in the chemistry lecture of 11th science. We have seen last time the chapter hydrocarbon, into which I have previously said that the hydrocarbon chapter has divided into 4 parts, that is alkane, alkene, alkyne and aromatic compound. We have seen alkane and alkene. Now we have to see the third part of the chapter, that is aromatic, that is alkyne, and the fourth part is aromatic compound. Alkyne, YNE, that is carbon-carbon triple bond. So let's see the introduction. That hydrocarbon consists of at least one triple bond is said to be as alkyne. The first stable member of it is acetylene, that is CH triple bond CH. The general formula for alkyne is CnH2n minus 2, where N is number of carbon atoms starting from 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. If you put n equal to 2, it will be Cn, that is C2, and 2 2s are 4 minus 2, that is 2, C2H2. That will be ethine, 2 carbon ethane. So N is replaced by YNE, that is ethine, and commonly it is said to be as an acetylene. Acetylene is the common name. Now, alkyne are classified as two types: symmetric alkynes and unsymmetric alkyne. Across triple bond, same number of alkyl group; across triple bond, different number of alkyl group is said to be as unsymmetric alkyne, and this is symmetric alkyne. Now what is acetylene? Acetylene is used, try to understand why we are studying the chapter, because it has number of uses. Acetylene is used for the welding purpose in the form of oxyacetylene, metal welding. So this acetylene react with the oxygen gas, form oxyacetylene gas, which is used for welding purpose. What is oxyacetylene? When acetylene combined with oxygen, that is also said to be as gas welding of the iron metal. Mixture of acetylene plus oxygen is said to be as oxyacetylene. And even ethene is also used. Electronic structure of acetylene, dash structure, Lewis dot structure, and the ball and socket model we will see. This is dash structure, where we are drawing the dash bond. In place of dash, we will write electron. One bond represent 2 electron. I have said you previously. See, 1 bond, 2 bond, 3 bond, and here also there will be an electron. This cross is the electron of hydrogen, and this red one is the electron of carbon. Ball and socket model. This black one indicate carbon, this one indicate hydrogen. Gray. Linear structure of acetylene. The bond angle between the carbon to hydrogen is carbon. See this one, carbon, hydrogen. This bond angle is 180 degree. And each carbon atom is sp hybridized. So there is carbon to carbon 1 sigma bond, carbon to hydrogen is another 1 sigma bond, that is the sp hybridization. 2 sigma bond, and this one 2 pi bonds are there between carbon to carbon. Unhybrid orbital forms pi bond, so 2 pi bonds are there. See in this way, this is pi bond, this is pi, and in between there is a sigma, this is sigma and this is sigma. 3 sigma 2 pi bond in acetylene. sp hybridized carbon atom. The bond angle from hydrogen to carbon. The bond angle from hydrogen to carbon is 180. That is why the structure is linear. See, hybridization. You can see very nicely, that is This is the orbital of hydrogen, this is the orbital of carbon. This red one is anhybrid, and this is the green one is px, and the red one is py and pz before joining. After joining, what happened? This combined with the hydrogen one forms sigma bond. The another carbon also combined with the carbon one forms here sigma bond, and here with the sigma. 3 sigma bonds are there. Two pi bonds are there. See in this way. General formula for alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Good. Shape of acetylene is tetrahedral, planar, tetragonal, bipyramidal, linear. Hybridization of the triple bond, carbon-carbon triple bond, length and bond strength. sp hybridization, you know very well. It will be sp hybridization 1.2 Armstrong bond length, bond strength 825 kilojoule per mole. This MCQ is not important because it is not given in your test. Now nomenclature is very important from the alkyne point of view or organic compound point of view. So nomenclature at least you should know, and what is isomerism over here. In IUPAC nomenclature system, alkynes are named as the derivative of corresponding alkane. Derivative of corresponding alkane. Okay, it is replaced by ANE. AN is replaced by YNE. Let's see. 1, 2. So no need to number ethyne, common name acetylene. 1, 2, 3. Propyne, or the common name will be methyl. The common name actually it is a derived name. So in all the triple bond compound, acetylene word will be introduced. So it will be methyl acetylene, the common name. What are position isomer? Position isomer is hydrocarbon which have same molecular formula but different in the position of triple bond are called position isomer. Let's see example of 4 carbon alkyne. See here there is a triple bond at the first, second position. Then in the isomer the triple bond can shift over here in the second, third position. This will be but-1-ine. This will be but-2-ine. Among 2, 3, lowest number we have to write. Common name acetylene, IUPAC, ethyne. No need to number. Methyl acetylene or alylene, propyne, acetylene. If you substitute with ethyl group, so it will be ethyl acetylene. Ethyl acetylene common name. For IUPAC we have to number. This numbering is wrong, which is starting from the numbering should be triple bond function group should get a lowest number. This numbering is correct from the below. but-1-ine, acetylene. Here across triple bond, either side of the triple bond there is 2 alkyl groups, so it will be methyl, that is dimethyl acetylene. It is also named as crotonylene, even you can say this way, crotonylene. but-2-ine. Commonly it is said, the common name are. Now in this compound, 2 double bond has been introduced, means 2 triple bond has been introduced. Remember carefully for IUPAC ring, whenever a functional group is repeated, same functional group is repeated more than one time, that is 2 or 3. So a alkane of where AN is replaced by YNE, AN is replaced by YNE. So A of AN is retained. Let's see. This is diene. this penta, AN is replaced by YNE. But in case of more than one time functional group is repeated, at that time A of AN is retained and at the position number 1 and at the position number 4, 5. So the triple bond is written. That is why 1, 4, 2 time triple bond diene. Here functional group is 2 time but not same. That is why A will not come. Double bond is first preferred, then triple bond. So that is a pent 1, 2. It's 1 in and E is replaced by ine. That is 4 ine. The below one numbering is wrong because in the preference list double bond comes first, at the end triple bond comes. Here again the numbering will start from where there is no tie between the multiple bond. If you start from right or left, at that time what happen? The multiple bond that comes first get least priority. So at that time over here triple bond will come first. Give the IUPAC name of the following compound. One, 4 diene. Here again A will be written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be penta 1, 3, 5 triene. Six it is, so that will be hexa 1, 3, 5 triene. Give the IUPAC of following compound. The number will start from here. Penta, the T by mistake is written over here. 1, 3 triene. Now here as the number the lowest total will be not there, that is why we are starting the number from here. If you start from the numbering here, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 and 4 position the number will come. And from here left right hand side it will be again 2 and 4. So whichever number comes first, whichever bond will come first, that has to be given preference. Means from right hand side triple bond is coming first, from left hand side double bond is not coming first, it is at the second position. That is why preferred is from right hand side. And why A is not written? Because same functional group is not repeated. 3 in 1 ine. This T by mistake is written at the below by mistake. Give the IUPAC in the following compound. Now over here triple bond is at the end, double bond is at the end, and the triple bond is also at the end, terminal one. So now the preferred will be given to the double bond according to preference list. A will not come because same functional group is not repeated. 1 ine and 5 ine and 1 in. Now here the number will be again from both sides. This is triple bond from 2 position, from here also double bond 2 position. So double bond will get first preference. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 8, octane. So it will be double bond is 2 times. So octa 2, 4 diene, and E is replaced by triple bond, that is 6 ine. Write the complete structural formula for the alkyne. How many sigma bond? Carbon hydrogen sigma, carbon sigma, and carbon pi bond does it contain? You have to identify. Very simple. See here, the apex is said to be as an carbon, and it is to be understood over here that hydrogen is present. So hydrogen is present. Here all 4 valency is complete, that is why no hydrogen. Here 2 bond has been drawn, that is why 2 hydrogen. You can understand. So you can count it very nicely and answer it. This red one is carbon-carbon sigma bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carbon hydrogen sigma bond also we are having. Green one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And pi bond we have these 2. 2 pi bond. Molecular formula C6, and as it is triple bond, so 2n minus 2, 12 minus 2, 10. Thank you. Next time we will see the reaction of the alkyne, preparation and the reaction of alkyne. Thank you.